Hi everybody, okay, my name is Jordan and today we're going to look at this double story terrace house in section 17 for rent. Alright, so part 1, let me explain to you the neighborhood. This is the area, this is road 12, 17/12. You have a lot of shops down here, a lot of eateries. All the way up there is actually Happy Mansion. You also have the famous banana leaf rice, 99 Speed Mart is there. And yeah, next to it you have a playground. Alright, a lot of car parks down here, and you know the road goes all the way down, so at the bottom here is also the other road lah. Okay, so now let's go into the house and have a look at what this place is all about. Alright, the first thing I'll show you is that you have a long driveway, yeah, that you can fit one long car down here and probably two smaller cars down here and here lah. Alright, and if you have a motorcycle you can keep it there also, shielded from the sun and shine, rain and shine. Alright, so next thing, the owner has also changed the fence. This fence is a total height of 6 foot. Yeah. Alright, new fence. So yeah, just to give you a context, this rubbish bin is half the height of the fence lah, and this is a standard rubbish bin, so you can compare. Alright. Okay, so now let's go in. Next thing you notice, they have also done up the lighting, the fan. Yeah, all done. Okay, so now we're looking at the living room. First thing is that the whole house has been repainted white. You have a cool white light lah, so it's not pure white, but it's not warm also, it's cool. It's like a slight tone of light orange. Ceiling fans, you have that one also, aircon. Notice that the floor is extremely shiny. Yeah. Yeah, that's because they have actually polished the whole tiles while maintaining the original tiles lah. Yeah. Okay, so next on the left you have a one bedroom. Alright, with two lights, a ceiling fan, and also aircon. Yeah, and then this is the fun part. Alright, this is the yard. Not the yard, I mean this is the kitchen. They have done up kitchen countertop. Alright, with hood and hob. They have also fully covered the whole ceiling. So originally this thing is all open. When it rains, the water will come in, but they fully cover it up lah. Yeah, but they allowed the transparent cover to let light to come in. Okay, so here you have the back door. Okay, you have two more, one toilet and one shower. Yeah, let's have a look, guys. Alright. Yeah. Okay, and then this is the shower. See, there's a drop on the floor down here, yeah, by the way. Okay, this is the place where you can put all your sabun. You have a rain shower and also a water heater. Yeah, okay. You have a nice sink down here. Put a big mirror, you can see yourself. Yeah, so now let's go and look at the back of the house. Okay. Yeah, so this is how it looks like behind of the house. Back alley. Another back alley also. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, come, let's go in the house now. Alright, see, this house is so new, it still comes with plastic cover is still there. So here we have cooker, the hood and hob. Right, these are all gas stove, and totally brand new ventilation fan by Elba also. So the exhaust all will go out from there. Okay. And then you have a double sink. Yeah. Right, water pressure is good. This is the place where you can put your washing machine. Alright, water in, water out, plugs, and you can put your fridge down here also if you want. Yeah. So lastly, they have this nice little side fan, wall fan, to help give more ventilation and life to the house lah. Okay, so now let's go and have a look at the second floor. See, the floor is actually a concrete finishing, which they have also polished. It's a very shiny. Alright. So once you go up, first thing you will see on the left, a total of 3 rooms. The house is still being repainted, so they're going to repaint the door after this. Alright, you go on the left. Yeah, this is the second room. The 3 panel of windows outside. This is the view from the outside. There's the park. Alright, and then now let's go and look at the first room, the master bedroom. Alright, yeah, here it is. You have this little space outside here that actually has access to a balcony. Alright, so it's quite neat lah. Yeah, there's a balcony down there, right? So now let's go and have a look at the third room. Yeah. Once again, 2 warm light, ceiling fan and an aircon. Everything is brand new. Yeah. And then after that, you have the fourth room. This is the smallest of them all, but it's still a square shape, very decent. Yeah, 2 lights, ceiling fan, and they're going to install aircon in the future. Alright. So you have this long walkway. This is how it looks like from the bottom, from the top. Yeah. And this is the roof. Okay. So at the end of it here, you have a shower on the left and a toilet on the right, just like below lah. Yeah, so why did the owner separate the shower and the toilet? So that if you have more people staying, one person can shower and one person can use the toilet separately. You don't have to queue up for this. So okay guys, that is the end of the house walkthrough today. If you like the place, just let us know and we can arrange for viewing for you and your family. Alright, my name is Jordan. It's a pleasure showing you this place. If there's anything else I can do for you, just let us know. Alright guys, that is the end of it. Bye bye.